Now, we are going to see the next 5 days summer-like conditions. We're going to be in those low 80s the first 2 days of the week. Cold front moves on through, bringing us cooler, more fall-like temperatures. We're going to be in those low 70s as we go in the next couple days midweek. Usually our normal high this time of year in the upper 60s and low 70s. We'll bounce back, though, into the upper 70s later on towards the weekend. Storm Team 27, Viper radar. High pressure continues to be that dominant force, keeping us nice and dry, but the entire Midwest also dry. We can take a look here from Omaha all the way to basically the Atlantic coast. We're basically seeing nice dry conditions. Could see a few high-level clouds start to make their way on in later on this afternoon, thanks to Tropical Storm Imelda. Now, as we take a look here right now, though, mostly clear conditions. We do have a little bit of some river fog over into East Liverpool, typical, though, for the morning commute there. Looking at what we can expect hour by hour with Future Tracker. By about the noon lunch hour, still going to see some clear conditions, but as we go through the afternoon, some of those clouds, again, some of those high-level clouds being picked on up with Future Tracker, moving their way on in. I do expect partly cloudy conditions, especially to our neighbors out to the east. We are going to start seeing mainly into western PA and parts of Columbiana County getting some of those clouds as we go into the overnight hours, upper 50s by midnight. Then as we go through the overnight hours into early Tuesday morning, low 50s will be a little bit cooler tomorrow, maybe a degree or two cooler than we are this morning. Then by noon tomorrow, I do expect clearing of those skies. So once those clouds start to move on out, I do expect to see mostly sunny conditions into the later part of the afternoon, and we'll get some more wind coming out of the north-northeast, about 5 to 10 miles an hour. So we'll have a calmer breeze today, a little bit more breezy tomorrow. Low to mid 70s as we go into our Tuesday afternoon, probably low 80s topping off with some of that surface heating. As we go into the overnight hours into early Wednesday morning, we'll get some mid 50s with some northeast winds. So for today, we'll be mostly to partly sunny tomorrow with low 80s. But take a look, we'll get some low 70s mixing on in there, mostly sunny. Mid 70s, we'll start that warming back up into Friday and Saturday, upper 70s as we end the weekend on Sunday.